Hey guys, this video to show you the 70My dashcam apps. So inside have many things, so you need to sign up first, and then from your dashcam you can see a lot of video, your photo also, and then from the apps you can take photo as well. And then this is the device for this 70My A400. Okay, here you need to set up the dashcam here, so you need to choose the correct one. And here you can add the rear camera. Example RC09 is not in the list, but the main one you still need to follow lah. Okay, because everything from the main one A400. So once you put the proper SD card, as you see here, many setting here. Okay, so it's useful lah. And then you can choose the download time, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay, so here is some quick update lah, quick view lah for this app 70My dashcam. Okay, so you can check also update lah, up to date also. Okay, I think that's all lah for this short video, for this quick one. Simple video. Thanks for watching.